In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts in Google Sheets. This is a handy tip if you're looking to personalize your spreadsheets or give them a dash of creativity. Let's get started right away. First, you need to have your Google Sheets document open. If you haven't already opened one, take a moment to log into your Google account and open or create a Google Sheets file. This will be your canvas where we'll be adding some new fonts. Once you have your Google Sheets document open, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll see a drop-down list for fonts. Click on this list to reveal a selection of fonts that are already available. Now, this might look a bit basic, but don't worry, this is just the beginning. Next, you need to click on More Fonts, which you'll find at the top of this list. This option allows you to explore a much wider variety of fonts that Google Sheets supports. Clicking here will open up a new window with a plethora of font options. Now, you're going to see a search field at the top of this window. This is where you can type in the name of the font you'd like to add. Perhaps you have a specific font in mind, or maybe you're looking to explore something new. Go ahead and type in your desired font name. If it's available, it should pop up in the list below the search box. When you see the font you want, simply click on the font name. This will select the font, highlighting it for use in your document, but don't forget to confirm your selection by clicking OK. This action will add the font to your list and bring you back to your spreadsheet. Now, you might be wondering how to make this font your default choice for text. No problem. Just click the list of fonts once again. There, you'll find the new font you just added. Select it, and it will now be ready for use. Finally, the most exciting part, typing with your new font. Click into a cell and start typing to see your selected font come to life. The new font should now appear whenever you type in that cell, giving your spreadsheet a fresh, new look. And that's it. You've successfully added a new font to your Google Sheets. Play around, find what suits your style, and make your data not just informative, but aesthetically pleasing too. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity in Google Sheets.